As you enter our office, you'll see we've made a few changes. Clearly displayed in reception, we've got our certificate confirming that we've complied with the government's guidance on managing the risk of COVID-19. We've also got our risk assessment displayed with some hand sanitizer and antibacterial wipes should you wish to use them. We've marked out with black and yellow hazard tape where to keep a safe distance should you be talking to our receptionist. And in front of you as you come in, we've got some hand sanitizer, tissues and gloves should you wish to use them. We've also got some more tissues and hand sanitizer here. And as you go up the stairs, you'll see we've got a sign reminding you to catch it, bin it, kill it. As you go up the stairs, you'll see we've got another sign, a caution specific one, just to remind people to keep a safe distance from each other. We've made sure that we've got clear space on the landing area for people to walk through. We currently only have one meeting room in use, our large one, to allow people to keep a safe distance from each other during meetings. We've got tissues and hand sanitizer in here, as well as antibacterial wipes. As you go through the corridors where it gets a bit smaller, we've got a sign asking people to give way and a little area marked with black and yellow hazard tape for you to stand and let somebody coming the other way walk past. As you go into the tax room, you'll see we've got some more black and yellow hazard tape marking out where the desks are and to help people keep a safe distance. Above our printer, we've got a sign reminding people to wipe it down after use. And we've also got signs letting people know it's only one person at a time in the toilets and only one person at a time in the kitchen. We have signs above the sink, and we also have hand sanitizer and antibacterial wipes in the kitchen and outside of the kitchen. As you go into the accounts room, you'll see we've got some more black and yellow hazard tape, and we've also separated our desks so that nobody's facing anyone and they're all at a safe distance, keeping people apart.